So this is my to-do list: writing sentences for the Sunday, idioms, speakings, so many things I have in my to-do list for today. So I practiced English for 2 hours. I set my things and obviously sat down to study. And it was around 1 o'clock, yes, 1 a.m. in the morning, as you can see. So first I wrote one full page on the topic of poverty. Like while writing, I explained what poverty means. Poverty means when a person cannot afford the basic needs like food, clothes, house, and education. I also wrote that because of poverty, people do not get equal opportunities in life. They work very hard, but still they cannot get success. Then I wrote about the causes of poverty. I said that lack of education is a big reason. If people are not educated, they cannot get good jobs. Lack of skills is also a reason. And sometimes family problems and unemployment also causes poverty. And after that, I wrote about the effects of poverty. I wrote that poverty doesn't affect only one person, it affects the whole family. Children cannot go to school, people get sick, but they cannot go to the doctor, and because of this, the whole country becomes weak. Then I also wrote about the solutions. I wrote that education is the most important solution. If the government provides free education and skills training, then people can get jobs and come out of poverty, obviously. And I also wrote that we should help poor people and give them chances to grow. After writing, actually, I did my speaking practice. I took 1 minute to think about the topic actually, and after that I spoke for at least 2 minutes. And after that, I feel that if I practice like this daily, both writing and speaking together, then my English will improve a lot. Yes, I should do this for myself. You know what? Writing helps me to learn new words, and speaking helps me to use those words in real life. So I'll try to practice my writing skill and my speaking skill every damn day. I do speak every single day, but when it comes to writing, I feel somehow, sluggish. And I said, okay, let's postpone it. But from today, I'm not gonna do this because this is the way to do this. Okay, so this was my practice for today. I gave 2 hours to it. I'm just talking about my writing practice, and after that I'll show you how I did my speaking practice. So as you can see here, I have wrote down a full page, and now I'll send it to Meta AI. Okay, and I will tell it, please make this better and make it more good. This type of command I'll give to Meta AI. Like I gave it the command, just make it more good. Okay, so it will take my written paragraph and make it very good. It will add good words and correct it properly and send it back to me. When it sends it back to me, then through this I'll also get a chance to improve my speaking. Through this, I will get a chance to improve myself with vocabulary, like how we can replace words with other words. So you can learn in this way. Nothing is, you know, you can say tough. So yes, I'm done with my writing. So I have completed my writing. Now is the turn of you can say sentences for Sunday. So let me tick mark on the writing, then I'll move forward towards next step.
Sentences
Now you can
I
see I have
give you
given a
on
command to Meta
Sunday,
AI, please
and
send me good phrases for Sunday.
the whole week that I can
So
practice on a daily basis that I can
it has sent me good lines for Sunday. It sent me like for chilling. Like I'm just taking it easy today. I'm just taking it easy today. Yes. Sundays are for rest and recharge. So on second number, my sentences for Sunday are also done now. Yes. And I have also ticked my second task as well because I'm done with my second task. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to write idioms for you for the whole week. 7 plus idioms I'll write. Okay. So you have to remember each idiom in this way, same way. And you must use every idiom because these things stay in the mind only. Because when you use them, then it will learn you. Then it will, keep running. So if you don't use them, then there is no benefit of just writing them or memorizing them. So you have to use them as well. So the first is hit the ground running. I forget right running, but running will come here as well. The full idiom is like hit the ground running. It means to start working quickly because it's Monday. The second is burn the midnight oil. It means I will have to work hard, brother. I will have to burn the midnight oil. Second is in the same boat. So, like the same thing is going on with you. Like you also have exam, I also have exam. We are in the same boat. Fourth one is almost there. It means like almost there. We have reached in the middle, so we can say almost there. On Friday, we can use that you head down. Let's just relax a little. Friday has come. Let's take it easy. So the next is for Saturday. Take it easy. Saturday has come. Now take it easy. The holiday is about to come. We can use this on Saturday, and for Sunday we can use like a fresh start. So I'm done with my third task as well with idioms. Let me tick mark my third task as well. Now let me take out my mic. You know what? I had ordered this mic a few days ago from cmshop.pk. It's really good. The people there are very trustworthy, and you can say they are very trustworthy people. You can also order a mic from there. I'm not doing any promotion, but yes, I'm saying that I found it very beneficial and its price is also very minimal. So if you want, you can comment me. I'll send you the details. So now I'm going to start my speaking practice. I'll tell you a small story that my colleague told me. Okay, my colleague shared with me. So let's get ready. Okay, let me tell you a story, and story is very interesting. I hope you'll learn something with this story. Okay, so what happened? You can say 1 month back, I was just sitting with my colleague, and she said, I really want to tell you something. I have something to share with you. I said, okay, do it. Go ahead. She said, once there was a caretaker of a mosque caretaker. Okay. And he went to the bar to invite drinkers, but he died there. Although he was a very pious man, he was a very good man, but where his death came in a bar. Okay, but on the other side there was a drunkard. He went to the mosque to steal shoes, but his death came there in a mosque, although he was a really very bad man, bad person. Okay, he did bad things in his whole life, but his death came in the mosque, in a mosque. So I have learned from that story that we should never ever judge anyone at any place because it's not our duty. It's Allah's job. We should just worry about our own needs. That's it. Just look, Meta AI sent my story back to me by correcting the errors. And also Meta AI helps me refine my text and gives me scores as well. So I'm done with my fourth task, and successfully I have studied for 2 hours. I am very, very grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yep.